students, hope you all are fit and fine. I, Miss Karishma, welcome you all to RKP online classes. So as you all are aware that this video is to improve your English cursive handwriting. Today we will continue with our next four letters Q, R, S and T. Okay, are you ready? First of all, we will revise the important curves that I told you earlier also. So, first curve is, yes, this curve and this curve. Which two curves? This curve and this curve. Fine. So, now Q. First of all, you will observe me, and when I'll make second time or third time, then you will copy. Okay. So, first of all, capital Q. For capital Q, we'll take a circle, round. Yes, and a curve. See, if you exceed this curve bit more to the left side, then it will look better. Okay, but if you will stop here only, then also it is okay, but for better, we will always go for better and moreover for the best. So, try to exceed this curve. Let's see once again how to do. Start from here. Yes. Take a circle or a round. Yes. And a tail. Yes. So for capital Q, what we are supposed to do? Yes. Take a round. Start from here and this. This tail should not exceed the baseline. Right. One more time. It's our capital Q. Okay, for small q, what we are supposed to do? Yes. Remember this curve? Use this curve. Start from here. Yes. Start from here. Make a C, then A and this. How? C. Take a curve, make a C and this. Once again, take a curve, make a C and this. How? Be careful now. Take a curve, make a C and this. Getting? Take a curve, make a C and this. Small q. Okay? Now for capital R. For making capital R, we'll start from here. Okay? Do you remember how we formed P? Yes, same, but a bit a slight difference is there. See how? Start from this point, go to baseline, make a curve and this. How? Look again. Start from here and this. Okay. Once again, start from here, go to the baseline, again top and a curve, then this. Fine. One more time. Start from here. Yes. And this. Capital R. Now for small r. How? See. Take a curve from here. This point, can you see? Yes. Which line it is? Baseline. Start from here. Make a note and this. Once again. Start from here, this, and see, this will touch your, this curve will touch your middle line. Okay. Once again, start from here and this. Small r. One more time. Small r. Now for capital S. For making capital S, we'll take a slanting curve that will start from here, will go till top line and then a note and like this. How? See. Start from here. Okay. Yes. Start from here and this. Capital S. How? Start from here, make a note and this. Capital S. One more time. capital S. Yes, start from here, go to the top line, make a note, and this capital S. For small s, now for small s we will use these two lines. Which two lines? Middle and base line. Okay, start from here, this point. Start from here, make a loop, and this. See, when you will can you see the difference? There is a space in this loop but no space in this. This is the difference between small s and capital S. Look again. Start from here and this, but this curve will not touch this curve. Okay, once again. Small s. Okay, now for capital T. For capital T we will use this curve. Okay, this curve. Yes, we'll start from top line, take a curve, go to the baseline and a curve to the left. Okay, one more time, see. Like this. Take a curve, go to the baseline and curve. Take a curve, go to the baseline and a curve to the left. Okay, for small t is easy, but you need to take care of one thing that I'll tell you. See, start from here. This point, can you see? Start from here and this. What is the difference? See, this line will not touch the top line. Okay, see how? Small t. One more time. Small t. Take a curve from here. Go to the top. No, not. You will not go to the top line. Just till here. Yes. Back to the baseline and this. Small t. Okay. I guess these 8 letters are enough for today, right? Practice these letters until you get perfection. Okay, you have to improve your handwriting. Okay, so this is all this for today. We'll come up with next means remaining letters in the next video. Stay tuned, stay at home, be safe, and thanks a lot.